I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 1 that has been taken from exercise 5.6, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, find dy over dx of the equations x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to a t raised to the power 4, where x and y are connected parametrically. Now come out to solution here. Solution implies that here I shall write, given that x is equal to 2a t square and y is equal to a t raised to the power 4. Here you can see x is a variable and y is a variable. Both x and y are connected parametrically. This means that we have to find the relation of x and y. So first of all, I shall take the first function. So here I shall write by taking first function, first equation, x is equal to 2a t square. Now I shall do differentiation of this equation with respect to t. Here I shall write differentiating WRT t. Here I shall write implied that d over dt of x comes out to be d over dt of 2a t square, implied that dx over dt equal to, here 2a is a constant and multiplied to t square function. 2a will be popped out. We shall write like this, 2a will be written in bracket and here 2a has been popped out. Here I shall write d over dt of t square. We will get here dx over dt equal to 2a dot d over dt of t square comes out to be 2t. We will get here implied that dx over dt equal to 2 will multiply to 2 comes out to be 4 a t. We will get here dx over dt equal to 4 a t. This thing you have got. Now here I shall write by taking second equation y equal to a t raised to the power 4. So here I shall write dwrt t. We shall get implied that d over dt of y is equal to d over dt of a t raised to the power 4. So we shall get here implied that d will be conjugated with y. We'll get here dy over dt is equal to d over dt of a t raised to the power 4. So here write a is a constant here. D over dt of t raised to the power 4. So we shall get here imply that dy over dt is equal to a dot d over dt of t raised to the power 4 comes out to be 4t raised to the power 3. You will get here 4a t raised to the power 3. This thing you have got. Now this will be the relation number 1. This will be the relation number 2. Now again I shall write by taking relation number 1 and relation number 2, we shall get here I shall write dy over dx comes out to be dy over dt into dt over dx. Here I have applied chain rule. So we shall get here dy over dx equal to, now dy over dt, in place of dy over dt I shall write 4at. So here write 4at dot, in place of dt over dx I shall write this value. So this value you can see dx over dt equal to 480. So here I shall reverse the relation number 1. So we shall get dt over dx equal to 1 over 480. So here write 1 over dy over dt, we have got here dy over dx equal to, in place of dy over dt I shall take from relation number 2. The relation number 2 here you can see dy over dt equal to 4at raised to the power 3. dy over dt, so I shall write 4at raised to the power 3. So here in place of dy over dt I shall write 4at raised to power 3 into, in place of dt over dx, here dx over dt equal to 480. That is relation number 1. Dx over dt equal to 480 will be reversed. So we will get here dt over dx. So I shall write 1 over 480. So here write 1 over 4at. So here again I shall write implied that dy over dx is equal to, this 4 will be cancelled out, this a will be cancelled out. Here we will get t raised to power 3 over t comes out to be dy over dx is equal to t square. dy over dx equal to t raised to power 3 over t, implied that dy over dx equal to t square. The answer we have got, answer implied that dy over dx equal to t square. Dy over dx equal to t square, that will be the correct answer we have got here. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1 that has been taken from exercise 5.6 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability of NCERT 12th mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.